Expelliarmus! Hi friends, welcome to Kids Vids. You must have known by now we reached more than 100 subscribers, and thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make a Harry Potter wand. Look at all the details. So, the materials you'll be needing is one hot glue gun, a glue stick, a white piece of paper, a paintbrush, a paint palette, a red and green paint, or one brown paint. So, let's get started. Oh, one thing I forgot to tell you. If you're using the hot glue, use it under a parent's supervision. So first, step 1 is to take this white piece of paper and roll it up. So, step 2 is to take the glue and you're going to glue it. Okay, so after you glued it, next step is to take the hot glue and we're going to glue it at any of the sides at the bottom. You can choose where your handle will be also. Now that we're done adding the hot glue, the reason why we added hot glue is to add details to it. So now that the hot glue dried up, we're going to start painting it. So, take the green paint and put it on the paint palette. Next, take the red paint and put it there also. And then we're going to take your paintbrush and you're going to mix them up. So now that we mixed the color, we're going to use this color and we're going to paint the wand. So now that we've painted the wand, we have to wait for the paint to dry out and it will look something like this. Bye guys! If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel by clicking this link over here. Bye!